PointStudio is your go-to platform to view and analyse 3D point cloud data. The Maptek Online Training PointStudio Essentials course gives you a firm grounding in the software. Learn how to install PointStudio and understand the Maptek workbench and licensing. Open projects and explore data structures. Get to know the PointStudio interface to prepare for working with data. Benefit from important data management tips, including naming conventions. Configure preferences to customise to your workflow and discover resources that can help you work seamlessly with PointStudio. Learn how to load and view data for intuitive analysis. Rotate, zoom and pan. Synchronise data rotation, zoom and pan in multiple views, and alter colour schemes for optimal viewing and analysis. Define action planes to create section views and control the location of new data. Practice with standard and custom views, and save action planes of important sections for use in other projects. Score at least 70% in your online exam and receive a training certificate you can post to LinkedIn. Get started with 3D point cloud modelling and analysis with the PointStudio Essentials Training course. Visit maptek.com today to learn more.